Hey there, fellow dino enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dinosaurs to explore one of the lesser-known but utterly fascinating creatures from the Cretaceous period, the Microceratus. Now you might be thinking, micro what? Don't worry, we'll unravel the mysteries of this tiny titan together. Imagine stepping into a time machine and zooming back over 70 million years ago, smack dab into the late Cretaceous period. The world is a vastly different place. Lush forests, towering ferns, and the occasional rumble of a distant volcano. And in this prehistoric landscape, Microceratus makes its debut. Let's start with the basics. Microceratus, whose name means small-horned, was indeed small in size, measuring around 3 to 4 feet long and standing about 1 to 2 feet tall at the hip. Picture a compact bipedal dinosaur resembling a pint-sized version of its more famous cousin, the Triceratops. Now, what set Microceratus apart were its unique features. Unlike the grand horns of the Triceratops, Microceratus sported small, bony knobs on its frill, hence the name small-horned. Its body was slender, with a beak-like mouth perfect for nipping vegetation, indicating it was likely an herbivore. Speaking of diet, let's talk about what these miniature herbivores feasted on. They were probably browsing on low-lying plants, ferns, and perhaps even the occasional insect for protein. Their small size would have allowed them to access vegetation that larger herbivores couldn't reach, carving out their niche in the ecosystem. Now you might be curious about how Microceratus behaved. While we can't observe them directly, paleontologists have pieced together clues from fossil evidence and comparative studies. It's likely that they lived in herds or small groups for safety, as many herbivorous dinosaurs did. Their small size might have also made them agile and swift, useful traits for evading predators. Let's shift gears and talk about the scientific journey of discovery surrounding Microceratus. Fossil discoveries of this dinosaur have been relatively scarce compared to some of its larger relatives. However, each finding has provided valuable insights into the world of dinosaurs during the late Cretaceous. One notable discovery was made in the Dijadakta Formation of Mongolia, where fragments of Microceratus fossils were unearthed alongside other dinosaur species. These fossils, though partial, helped scientists piece together the puzzle of this diminutive dinosaur's existence. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about a small, relatively obscure dinosaur like Microceratus? Well, its significance lies in understanding the broader context of dinosaur evolution. Microceratus belongs to a group called the Ceratopsians, which includes iconic dinosaurs like Triceratops and Styracosaurus. Studying Microceratus helps us trace the evolutionary pathways and adaptations within this diverse group of dinosaurs. Survival in the dinosaur world was no walk in the park, even for smaller species like Microceratus. They likely developed various adaptations to thrive in their environment, such as their size, speed, and possibly defensive behaviors like herding together or quick maneuvers to avoid predators. Let's paint a picture of the ancient world where Microceratus roamed. Close your eyes and imagine a landscape teeming with life, from the massive sauropods lumbering in the distance to the agile predators like velociraptors on the hunt. Microceratus would have been part of this vibrant ecosystem, playing its role in the web of life. Given their small size and herbivorous nature, Microceratus likely interacted with a variety of dinosaurs. They might have competed with other herbivores for food, shared territories with different species, and perhaps even faced off against small predators looking for an easy meal. Unfortunately, like many dinosaurs, Microceratus met its end in the mass extinction event that marked the end of the Cretaceous period. However, its legacy lives on through the fossil record and the ongoing research that continues to shed light on the ancient world. You might be wondering, what does a tiny dinosaur from millions of years ago have to do with us today? Well, studying dinosaurs like Microceratus isn't just about the past. It's about understanding life, evolution, and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Lessons learned from ancient creatures can inform conservation efforts, biodiversity studies, and even inspire innovations in technology and design. As we wrap up our journey into the world of Microceratus, I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for these miniature marvels of the Cretaceous. Remember, the story of life on Earth is vast and ever unfolding, with each fossil discovery adding another chapter to the tale. If you're as fascinated by dinosaurs as I am, keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows what other ancient secrets we might uncover together. Until next time, stay curious and keep roaring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more prehistoric adventures. See you in the next episode.